Good, and bad habits. Hey, Sarah, how are you? I heard you had an accident. I'm so sorry.
Hi, Michael. Well, in fact, I didn't have an accident. What happened was that I went to a psychologist.
Oh, really? Why did you go to a psychologist? Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. Do you remember I felt sick last week and left work early?
Yes, I remember. Did you go to a doctor or did something else happen?
I went to the doctor and he said my immune system was weak. He suggested I see a psychologist too.
I see. So, you went to the psychologist to discuss your feelings and emotions?
Exactly. I explained everything I was feeling to the psychologist, and she told me that my bad habits were affecting my health.
Bad habits. What kind of habits are you talking about?
Well, habits are behaviors that we repeat without thinking much about them. Some examples of bad habits are not getting enough sleep, eating unhealthy food, and not managing stress properly.
I understand now. So, these bad habits were making you feel unwell?
Yes, exactly. Our habits have a big impact on our overall well-being. Bad habits can lead to feeling tired, stressed, and even physically sick.
That's really interesting. So, what are you planning to do about it?
I'm determined to change my habits and improve my health. I want to feel better and live a healthier life.
That's great to hear, Sarah. I'm glad you're taking this step. Changing habits can be challenging, though. How do you plan to do it?
Well, it's not going to be easy, but I'm going to start by planning my meals to eat healthier. I'll also make sure to drink plenty of water and take breaks to exercise throughout the day.
Those sound like good habits to develop. Anything else you're planning to change?
Yes, I'm also going to limit my screen time and spend more time offline. It's important to disconnect from technology and engage in other activities.
That's a great idea. It's easy to get caught up in the online world and neglect other aspects of life. What other habits are you considering?
I want to learn something new, maybe take up a new hobby or join a class. It's always good to keep the brain active and learn new skills.
Absolutely. Learning new things is not only fun, but also keeps our mind sharp. Is there anything else on your list?
Well, I'm determined to quit smoking too. It's a habit that is detrimental to my health, and I want to make a positive change.
Quitting smoking is a big step, but it will definitely have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Is there anything else you're focusing on?
Yes, getting enough sleep is crucial. I'll make sure to establish a regular sleep schedule and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night.
Good sleep is often underestimated, but it plays a significant role in our health. I'm glad you're prioritizing it. Is there anything else you want to add?
Practicing mindfulness is also important to me. Taking the time to be present, meditate, or even do simple activities with awareness can reduce stress and improve overall mental well-being.
That's a great addition, Sarah. Mindfulness can indeed bring a sense of calm and clarity to our lives. I'm impressed with your determination to make positive changes.
Thank you, Michael. It's not going to be easy, but I know it's worth it. I hope that by sharing my experience, I can inspire others to make positive changes in their lives too.
I'm sure your story will resonate with many people. Perhaps you could even make a video explaining how to build good habits in the future.
That's a great idea. Michael, if our subscribers are interested, I'll definitely consider making a video on building good habits. It could be a helpful resource for English learners, too.
I'm sure it would be. Let's encourage our viewers to subscribe, share the video, and continue practicing English together.
Absolutely. Thank you for the conversation, Michael. It was great discussing this topic with you.
Thank you too, Sarah. I wish you all the best on your journey to better habits and improved health. Take care.
You too, Michael. Stay healthy and keep up the positive changes. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sarah. Divorce negotiation. Seeking resolution. Good morning, Mrs. Thompson. Thank you for coming today. I understand you're Lisa's mother, and I'd like to discuss the terms of the divorce between Leonard and Sarah.
Good morning, Mr. Reynolds. Yes, I am Lisa's mother, and my primary concern is to ensure the best outcome for my daughter. Let's proceed with the discussion.
Firstly, let's address the division of assets. Our proposal suggests that Mrs. Thompson should receive half of Leonard's assets, including cars, houses, jewelry, and other possessions.
Hold on a moment, Mr. Reynolds. I have some reservations about this proposal. Leonard discovered Sarah with another man during their honeymoon. I don't believe she should be entitled to such a significant share of his assets considering her actions.
I understand your perspective, Mrs. Thompson. However, we are basing our claim on the grounds of psychological abuse. Sarah alleges that Leonard's outburst in Paris caused her severe emotional distress, leading to the need for psychological counseling.
That's not how it happened at all. My son did find Sarah with another man, but they were merely having a conversation. The incident was blown out of proportion. They were innocent and there were witnesses who can verify that.
Your son's account contradicts Sarah's claims. She insists that Leonard witnessed her kissing the other man on their wedding day. Additionally, most of the witnesses you mention are Sarah's friends, so their testimony might be biased.
It's evident to me that she manipulated my son from the beginning. She used him for his wealth, and this entire divorce seems like an attempt to take even more from him. According to the law, she should not be entitled to anything.
I understand your concerns, Mrs. Thompson, but we must also consider the possibility that Leonard still has feelings for Sarah. Perhaps if she speaks to him directly, she can convince him to sign the divorce papers.
Absolutely not. My son will not sign anything. He needs to learn a lesson from this whole situation. Yielding to her demands will only enable her deceptive behavior.
I recognize your strong stance, Mrs. Thompson. However, taking this matter to court and prolonging the process might not be the most favorable outcome for Leonard. Let's explore the potential for a compromise.
What kind of compromise are you suggesting, Mr. Reynolds?
I propose that Sarah has a direct conversation with Leonard. If she can genuinely convince him to sign the divorce papers, we can settle this matter amicably. It would save time, energy, and prevent further emotional strain.
It's worth considering, but I want it to be clear that I won't be present during their conversation. This decision rests solely with Leonard. If he still loves her, then so be it. However, he must understand the consequences.
I appreciate your willingness to explore this option, Mrs. Thompson. I will inform Sarah and arrange a meeting for them. Hopefully, they can reach an agreement and put this behind them.
Thank you, Mr. Reynolds. I hope this can be resolved as swiftly as possible. It has been a challenging time for our family.
I understand, Mrs. Thompson. Let's work towards a resolution. That is fair for everyone involved. I will do my utmost to facilitate the conversation and ensure a smooth process.
At the restaurant, ordering food.
Excuse me, I've been waiting for quite a while and I'm really hungry. Is there any chance I can get a table soon?
I apologize for the wait, sir. Let me find you a table right away. Here, please have a seat. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
Thank you for the quick response. I'm starving. Could you recommend something delicious from the menu?
Absolutely. Our special of the day is krill tuna with onions and baked potatoes. It's a mouth-watering dish that many customers enjoy.
That sounds interesting, but I'm not a big fan of tuna. Do you have any other options?
Of course. How about trying our fresh chicken salad? It's a light and healthy choice. We also have a variety of dressings you can choose from.
That sounds perfect. I'll go with the chicken salad, please. Oh, and could I have a glass of water, please? Just plain water without any ice, please.
Certainly, sir. Your chicken salad and a glass of water without ice will be on their way. Customer waits for the food to arrive and starts eating.
Mom, this chicken salad is delicious. I'm really enjoying it.
I'm glad to hear that you're enjoying your meal, sir. If there's anything else I can assist you with, please let me know.
Actually, I think I'm still a bit hungry. Could I order a hamburger, please? Just a simple one with some mayonnaise, please. I don't want any extra toppings or cheese.
Certainly, sir. I'll place your order for a simple hamburger with mayonnaise right away. It won't take long to prepare. Is there anything else you'd like to add to your order?
No, thank you. Just the hamburger will do. I appreciate your help.
Customer finishes the hamburger and signals the waiter.
Excuse me, could I have the check, please? I'm ready to pay.
Certainly, sir. Here's your check. We accept credit cards. Whenever you're ready, you can hand it to me. Customer pays with a credit card.
There you go. Keep the change. I must say, the food was excellent and the service was great. I'm very satisfied.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. I'm delighted to hear that you had a positive experience with us. If you ever decide to visit us again, we'll be more than happy to serve you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. I definitely will. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Have a fantastic day ahead.